Florida Sand Music Ranch is an 80-acre piece of old Florida heaven. It was formerly the Sertoma Youth Ranch and was changed to the Florida Sand Music Ranch in the hands of the Will McLean Foundation just in the last few months. There's 230 electric and water campsites for RVs, plus tons of primitive camping. It's fully oak and magnolia canopied. It's just beautiful. It's peaceful and wonderful. You'll just love it. During the course of the festival, you'll see food vendors of all types, arts and craft vendors. There's workshops going all the time for every kind of musical interest. There's a huge, really well-developed youth music program with kids and teens from all over the state of Florida. There's going to be a contra dance on Saturday night. There's just truly something for everybody. You don't want to miss this.